Are you longing for rest, relaxation, or rejuvenation? Come and enjoy this video out in nature, with nature, healing and restoring and refreshing. Hello everybody, I am saying hello from this beautiful Australian outdoor adventure. I thought I'd take you guys outside today and I show you what it is like to go for a walk in an Australian park or reserve park. And this is just one of the many parks we have scattered around Melbourne City, just waiting for the rain to come down soon. So I'm hoping that this little bit of video will show you where many Australians live and what a wonderful benefit we have of this beautiful conscious environment around us. I will be back inside as I will record in an indoor environment, but I am hoping that you guys getting a good benefit from listening to the marvelous amount of birds, beautiful running water, and see you soon. Continue inside with today's topic. Thank you for being here with me. Back inside now, recording as you are watching this beautiful, healthy and wondrous environment. I am hoping that it will be something you enjoy and help you to relax, and most importantly, feel that nature is nurturing you right now. Nature is holding you, helping you to feel that you are not alone, that you are loved, and beauty is experienced through your senses, through your emotions, through your perceptions, and through your whole being. Observe and be aware how you are feeling touched and tremendously impacted by life's beautiful expressions, life's beautiful, wondrous creatures, how they too play, how they enjoy just being here right now. Nature allows for change, allows for motion, things to go forward, flow beautifully together, and one moment unfolds after and another unfolding, and it is beautifully interconnected, beautifully flowing, beautifully unfolding through everything around you. Relax. Take it in. Breathe. Allow it to touch you. Allow it to make you understand that you are beauty and experience itself. Allow it to nurture your senses. Allow the sounds allow the music allow nature to nurture every part of you. Be here and now. Breathe. Be aware and rest. Happy Easter and have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye for now.